In this video, I'll be showing you how to download Discord on PC and install Discord. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And you can do it on anything that you're using Discord on, whether you're on Windows 10, 11, or anything like that. So all you want to do is go to your browser of choice and then type in Discord. Then we're going to open Discord up, and then you're going to see Discord or like download for Windows right here. All you want to do is press on that, and it's going to say Discord setup.exe. Go ahead and click on that, and then my installation's failed because I already have Discord downloaded. But all you're going to do is run through the download. It's going to download first, then it's going to ask you to install it. Just make sure you install it to whatever drive you want, and then upon logging in, upon like opening up Discord, you're going to have to just log in. And of course, if you don't have an account, just make sure to make an account. Make sure you use the correct profile and everything like that you want. And then you're going to have the Discord app downloaded just like I do right here. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through.